students, today we are reading the poem Meadow Surprises. Walk across a green field, a park, or even under a clump of trees, and you will notice many wonderful things. What are some of the surprises a meadow has for someone with a keen eye and a sharp ear? Meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still. Though at first you may not see him, when he hops, you will. A dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago has turned to airy parachutes that flutter when you blow. Explore the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, the ant's amazing mound. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. The poet of this poem is Louis Brandt Phillips. Students, in this poem, what we did? We understood and we read about the beauties of nature. We saw that how there are so many little things in nature which makes it so special. You see, the name of the poem is Meadow Surprises. These are some of the wonderful things which you may not have noticed earlier, but you can notice it if you have a keen eye and a sharp ear, which means that you have to look very clearly and you have to be very observable with a sharp ear, that even the slightest of the sounds are noticed by you. Only when you have this keen eye and sharp ear will you be able to look for all these surprises. Now, if you look at the stanzas of this poem, you can see that in the first stanza they are comparing the grass with velvet. A velvet is a soft, shiny kind of cloth, and they are comparing it to the grass. And then listen by the brook. Brook means the river. So you can listen to the sound a river makes. A river makes such amazing and different sounds if you listen to it clearly. In the next stanza, it talks about a butterfly and how a butterfly sips nectar from the flowers. Now the third paragraph is about a rabbit. A rabbit is a very quiet animal, so one may even fail to notice it sitting in the ground if you are not observable enough. But if you have a keen eye, you can notice him immediately. The fourth stanza talks about a dandelion. A dandelion is a kind of a flower with a fuzzy head. The flower is golden colored initially, but after some days, when the petals of the flower dries up, it blows in the air like a parachute. And the last paragraph is talking about how an ant built his houses beneath the ground, that is below the ground. So the poem is all about how meadows have so many surprises, and you can discover all of these by yourself if you look at the things very carefully and if you listen well, which is if you have a keen eye and a sharp ear.